A beautiful kitchen doesn't just look good, it feels good. Filled with things like candle scents, filled with nice towels, welcoming pieces, really creates an amazing vibe. So, in today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create the beautiful kitchen so that all of the people that come into your home are going to want to spend time in this room, the heart of the home. The kitchen is often known as the heart of the home. And honestly, it's one of the main rooms that will sell your house. So if you are looking at putting your house on the market and your kitchen needs some updates, that would be money very well spent. Here's some things about the kitchen that you want to keep in mind that's reflected in this kitchen. First of all, if you're in a higher end home, you want to make sure you've got a very nice countertop. There's nothing that says old, like an old orange and brown, the one with the gold flecks in it, countertop. So if you can, I would always advise you to get a nice updated quartz countertop. What you're seeing here is a version of Calcutta that I have used in multiple homes because it's not only got the nice gray streak on the background of white, but it's got a little brown and gold in it. So it ties in features like this home with its beautiful rustic wood floors or the gold and brown ledgestone that we've seen in the other rooms. Another thing to keep in mind is that less is more in a kitchen. The kitchen is one of those rooms that people want to know is clean, right? And so the countertops, if you've got clutter all over the countertops, you want to clear those out for either your renters that you want to be attracted to your vacation rental property or to sell. And there's some nice groupings you can do to really create a beautiful look on the countertops without making it look cluttered and too busy. So with the kitchen, it's the heart of the home. So spend some time in here and make sure it looks right because this will impact your ability to sell your home at the highest price. One of the biggest temptations that home stagers face in a kitchen like this is to just cover everything up with decor. But that's really the last thing that you want to do. And here's a reason why. When somebody's looking at buying your home, they want to envision themselves with room to bake, roll out those Christmas cookies or have their family sitting around on stools. And it also just helps highlight the beauty of, in this case, these quartz countertops. But it is important to bring some texture and softness into the kitchen because the kitchen is, well, all hard surfaces. And so I like to have this strategy that I use with what I call clusters. And I want to show you this first one that I put together. It's actually on a placemat. And I'll often use a placemat or a tray because it keeps all your decor items contained. So it still looks neat, but it's got a nice impact of softness, freshness, natural greenery, and texture. So in this case, these are some of my Walmart buys, I just have to say. So we've got this, that's coffee time. And actually, if you flip the sign, it changes to wine time, which is very fun. And then some mugs. And then at Home Goods, I like to pick up just some of these nice little, they're bakery type packages and set it here with a bit of color and soften it with greenery. And what it does is it draws the eye to the beautiful countertop, the nice gas range, and this backsplash. So here is one that I put together. And over here, I did something similar on a wood tray. And I was able to incorporate, my candles. I just love those. So just simple greenery, a little bird, a candle is all you need to really draw attention to your kitchen. I also want to share with you if you're doing a remodel or if you're working on a home And the kitchen is a very expensive room to redo. I would just encourage you to stay with neutral colors that will not go out of style. So we chose black and white for this kitchen, and it stayed the test of time because we actually redid this about 6 years ago. And walking back in it today, it looks like we could have redesigned this or redecorated this just yesterday. A well-staged kitchen can help you sell the home not only faster but for a higher price. If you want to learn how to stage all your rooms to boost your sales with your potential buyer, click on the link below and purchase 7 seconds. Get your copy today. God has created this world to be beautiful, and He has put creativity into you and I, and it's very important that we are in beautiful spaces as well. It's easier than you think, it's less expensive than you think, and after you read through the 7 Seconds book, I believe that you will be on a journey to create your own beautiful space. Order your copy today. You can get it by clicking on the link in the description.